Namaste children, welcome to social class. We are in then, now and tomorrow lesson learning about changes around us. Some changes we may like, some changes we may not like. We may get mixed feelings. So how do we handle these feelings? How to deal with these changes? Let us learn in today's class.
Learning outcomes. By the end of this session, you will be able to describe ways to deal with changes around us. Resources required. Keep your social studio, companion and notebook along with pencil and eraser ready. Today's agenda. First we will see the key question that we will discuss about. Learn how to deal with changes. Complete the activities of studio and companion based on this topic. And finally, we will note down the home fun and summary. Today's word in focus. Deal. It is a verb. It means to handle or to take action with respect to a thing or person. Conjugation. Deal, dealt. Dealing, deals. The past tense and past participle of deal is dealt. Derivative. Deal is also a noun and deal with is a phrasal verb. Usage of the word. How can we deal with changes around us? Here it is used as phrasal verb. The manager signed a deal with the client. A deal. It is a noun. I got best deal for my car. Deal is used as noun. Note down this word and add 2 more sentences of your own. Let us see what is the key question on today's topic. How can we deal with changes around us? How do we handle the feelings or emotions that we get when we change to a new place? Let us see in our next slide. How to deal with changes. Sometimes we may not like the changes happening around us. We may or may not like the new place that we are moving to. For example, our new house, new neighborhood or new school may be very different from our old one. We could feel lonely, we miss our friends and we miss our family too. Do you also feel the same? So how do we deal with these feelings? Here are some simple tips to help deal with them. Talk to an adult about how you feel. Pick up a new hobby. Hobby like painting, drawing, singing, dancing, could be anything. Try and make new friends. Read a book. Listen to your favorite music. Write about how you feel in a journal. Explore the new place with an adult. And don't forget to smile more. We have seen some tips that will help us in dealing with our feelings or changes. Now we will see some things which we should not do. Some things which we should avoid as they might not help us in dealing with the changes. For example, we should not blame others. We should not behave rudely. Or we should not shout or yell. We should not refuse to talk to someone about how you feel. Refuse to talk means not ready to talk about our feelings. So these are some of the tips if you try that will help you in dealing with these changes. Changes which make you feel uncomfortable. Now let us do the look within activity in studio page 62. Imagine that you ride a cycle to school every day. One day you find that the road is blocked. People are doing some repair work and you cannot use the road for some time. Now this is a sudden change for you. So what would you do? How will you react? How will you deal with this change? Choose one or more of the options listed, or you could also suggest another option in the blanks provided. Next we have look beyond activity 3.8. Each person responds differently to changes, but finding a way to deal with changes is important because changes happen all the time, whether we want them or not. Imagine that you suddenly get some magical powers to change anything in the world around you. So, what would you want to change and why? You can explain in words or use pictures. Next activity is in companion page 16. Have you noticed changes in yourself since your last birthday? Yes or no? Imagine that your family has moved to a different country. List some of the changes that you would experience. When you move to a new country, what are the things you find changed? Language may change. Next, weather may change. Your school may change. So, how would you feel about those changes? Draw a happy or sad face next to each change. I am showing you few examples over here. For example, language you find new there. So, how would you feel it? Sometimes happy, sometimes sad. Next, if you find changed weather, what is your reaction? Are you happy or sad about it? You go to a new school over there. Are you happy or sad? So write down your responses. Now let us do the Think and Ink activity in studio. Read the following sentences given under changes. You need to write two things. First, how would this change affect you? And second, how would you deal with it? Read these changes carefully and try to answer these questions. I am giving here few possible responses. We have come to the end of our session. Note down these activities to be done at home. Summary. What did we learn in today's class? We learned that changes can affect each of us differently and we all deal with them in different ways too. In our next class, we will learn about changes in transportation. If you have any doubts from today's class, please post your doubts in Google Classroom. Thank you.